And I'll give you like 2 variations. So as I'm here, playing this super tight, active legs, right? I need to open here to get offline. Triangle. Omoplata. I don't know if I should show this. It's really fucking neat. Kanto choke.
Oh, yeah.
And you can, I let this go because I was nice.
Kanto was an asshole.
But you can keep this lapel in, and it's a little nastier. I went slow. Because he knew what was coming that time, right? Or you can just use this lapel assist in this foot. But you see the utility here is to free this leg and get this like bicep control here. And then like I can look for my triangle. But now I also have like Kimura, wrist lock, reverse Kimura. Yeah, like you guys, most of you guys should be familiar with this position. And you can use this lapel. And that basically that stretches him, right? So let's return back to this grip. It's like I'm offline here, I'm even locked. This hamstring really needs to engage right here as you do this. This needs to be pulling him in, keeping him from being able to jump this down leg while I set it. And then he's gonna try to block this leg a little bit. You see I use the tension on the lapel, I step, and then I can free this down leg.
So when you set that lapel grip, are you setting it as deep as you can and then letting it